So I had already started concealing underneath my eyebrows, just a little bit, if you can't even tell. Yeah, to conceal my eyelids, I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild concealer in the shade medium tawny for my eyes. And taking this Real Techniques brush, it's just fluffy, to blend it out. So we're not going to set the eyeshadow. We're not going to set the concealer on our lids so we can have full pigment. For today's palette, I'm going to only be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. You know, she's been loved, as you can tell. Yeah, so I'm just going to blend out the creases or whatever that we had on our lids. And the first color I'm going into is this red color. I don't know what it's called. I lost the sheet, but yeah, I'm gonna be using that in our crease. I'm just gonna pack it on and then blend. You're going to take a clean blending brush and just blend out the edges. Now taking this color, where's my nail? This color, it is like a slightly darker orange color. I don't know. I will be taking that on a Morphe M433, I think. Yeah, using that darker color and just going lower into the crease. Now taking this deeper red color, just right here. Then going back in with the other brush with the previous color, just blend. Taking a pencil brush, I'm going to be using this dark brown color. Clearly I love it because I hit pan. Taking a clean blending brush, this is the Morphe M411. It's like a little tapered blending brush. I'm just gonna go in the crease and blend everything together so there's no harsh lines. Now for our lid color, we're gonna be taking this, where is it? This purple color. going to be using this L'Oreal Infallible Single Eyeshadow. And it's in the color Burst Into Bloom. And it's just a purple color. It's really pretty. Oh! What? The whole shadow just fell. L'Oreal. What? Sis. So this is what I managed to save. I'm not gonna show it like that because I know it's gonna fall. It's like a loose eyeshadow now. And then wet my brush. See what happens. Come on, L'Oreal, save the day. Blood sunset, let the night rage on. I don't think I can trust myself. And then what I'm gonna do is take that same little pencil brush with that brown color we had. It looks like this. I'm gonna place this in the outer V and blend it into the purple. So I just finished putting on my eyelashes, and I used the Lily lashes in Miami, and I used my duo glue that's like on its last leg. Oh my god. So I'm gonna use this primer. You already know what it is, like if you watch me, I guess. I use this all the time. It's from Maybelline. And I'm gonna like prime my face all over because my skin's trash right now. For foundation, I'm gonna be mixing these two foundations. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation in the shade 310. And this my N Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Cocoa. Tell me you love me. Used to believe you. Act like you meant. To blend this out, first I go in with a buffing brush and I just blend it in. And then I go in with my beauty blender and just blend everything out again. I'm going to be using that same Wet n Wild concealer from earlier in the shade Medium Tawny. To contour, I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild contour stick in the shade Where's Walnut. And I'm using my beauty blender to blend out that concealer. Like you won't hit, I take it to the bad bit. I wallin' now, screaming crit. I don't mean a tongue, no. I look at all this dough, I see it like a show, I got a curly fro, I bring him out and show. And now to set my under eyes and my face, I'm gonna be using the Airspun Powder in Translucent Extra Coverage, and I won't be baking with this because it gives me flashback, and we don't want flashback here. I ain't flexing on my past. I ain't flexing and finessing. 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 I ain't way out the shit. To bronze, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild MegaGlo Contouring Palette in the shade Caramel Toffee. And it just looks like this.
Yeah, I made the beat too. Sorry, bitch, no clue. Black Audi, no cuckoo. Riding with a fucking group. Shawty, you my favorite fruit. Whip it like you make it.
So I'm just baking the sides of my nose with that same Airspun powder. Why can't I talk today? Oh my god. Why cannot not talk today? For blush, I'm going to be using this L'Oreal True Match blush. You can barely even see the label, but it's in the color C5-6 or Rosy Outlook, and it just looks like that, a rosy color. For highlighter, I'm going to be using this Fenty Beauty highlighter in the shade Hustler Baby. Yeah, and it's their Kilowatt highlighters. If I can get this open. Oh, there we go. And it just looks like this. It's such a pretty color. And I'm going to apply that with a Morphe R36. Just a fluffy highlighter brush. And I'm going to apply that to my face. Wow, okay. Wow, cause I forgot to set my eyebrows, so I'm gonna be using this NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel to set them. For my lower lash line, I'm going to be taking this red color again and just placing it on the lower lash line. Now I'm going in with this color. I'm going in with this color with a little shader brush and putting that more on my outer lash line right here.
Riding with a fucking group. Shawty, you my favorite.
I'm taking this brown color with a pencil brush. I'm going to apply that to the outer portion, I guess, right here, and closer to the lash line. With a clean blending brush, I'm just gonna blend everything down here. I'm gonna apply mascara, and this is just one from Maybelline. It's waterproof, so that's cool. For lips, I'm gonna be using two lip products. This is the Wet n Wild liquid lipstick in the shade Give Me Mocha, and the NYX Liquid Suede in Sandstorm. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. I know I've been gone for like ever, but I'm glad you stayed to the end, and thanks for watching. Watch my videos right here. Yeah, thanks, and I'll see you next time.